First off, I just want to say thank you so much for taking this course. My name's Steve. Most of my friends call me B-Side, so since we're friends now, you can call me B-Side. I am so excited about this course because I think Facebook ads is really the thing that most businesses are missing to help grow revenue, grow client, grow customer base, whatever it is. There's so much opportunity in Facebook ads. And when I go in and do consulting with a client, often they're doing some sort of digital advertising, maybe it's just boosting posts, but there's not a lot of thought behind it. There's not a lot of reasoning behind it. And there's definitely not any advanced strategy. So this course, you are going to get everything you need to create an amazing Facebook ads campaign. And because you bought this course, you're going to be eligible for all the updates. So as new ad types come out, we will definitely make sure you don't get left hanging. You know, as the Facebook ad platform changes, the dashboard changes, we'll go through all of that. So I'm excited, and I think we just need to get started and dive right in.